Hello bikers and babes, it's Rick Star Gonzalez with another how-to video. I know we've been talking a lot about the Mustang, but it's time to talk about the Harley Davidson Softail Deuce. Today we're going to work on the primary. What we're going to do is we're going to remove this cover, replace the shoe, check the tension, and then put new oil in there. The Deuce is loose. So we're going to start by removing this piece, just this piece. And of course all these bolts. And drain the fluid. And drink a beer. Cheers. So first we're going to start by draining this sucker. Now you're talking. Whoever torqued it down last really torqued it down. We took it to a shop last time. Sometimes they don't do things with finesse. Okay, we got that out. Okay. Did I get them all? Oh my goodness, who torqued these down? Oh, wow. Dang. It's the last one. All right. You need a wrench there to hold it. This is a 1/2 inch. Nope. 7/16. Yep. 7/16, fellas. I'm not very talkative on by myself. Actually, I'm kind of a funny guy. At least I think I'm funny. I have some funny jokes. I don't know why people don't laugh. Maybe because they're not woke jokes. Alright, see? Why people don't laugh. Okay. Now we're gonna get this guy off. He's about this size. That's what she said. And too small. That's what she said again. Too small. Hey, it's working. Now this one has to come all the way out because there's a channel here that holds that screw in. You gotta screw it all the way out. And this guy, you wobble it out. Wobble it. Okay, now I think we have enough clearance. Enough clearance, Clarence. Okay, back to this bugger. Okay, so I went to a Harley dealership, right? Got some Formula Plus transmission oil, genuine Harley Davidson stuff. I know there's synthetics and other oils, and people say it doesn't matter. But in my experience, this seems to work best in a Harley primary. I got a new shoe for that. Got a new drain plug. I have to take these screws out because 2 of these screws actually go all the way into the case. So you make sure you take these off too before you remove the cover. Because you'll be here all day wondering, I took them all off and it ain't coming off. Because a couple of these are long. The 2 short ones. And I know there are methods of keeping track where these things go. I don't do that. And you got some short ones. But basically, if you look at the cover, you can see how much space it has from here to there. Long, long, short. Short, 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 long, long. No brainer. Please go to 11. And this one? Yes, 12. So there's 12 bolts. Yeah! Give it some gas. Oh. So there it is. Got that sucker off. Shavings or anything like that. So that's good. So it has a key here. So we got to open that up and let's just swap this out and put that key back on. There it is. Just fill the fuck out. All right, so I'm pulling this guy out. Come to daddy. It's not really that worn out. Well, I don't know what the spec is, Worn is worn. Probably doesn't take much to knock it out of kilter. So we're gonna throw that back on there. See, easy money. Now we'll get your little lock back on there. Well, maybe you could, but not this guy. Not this circus monkey. There we go. Easy money. Now that that's in there, we'll just kind of pick this up at a good spot. Once you get to a certain point. Looks good. Okay, that should do it. Now we reverse everything. Here we go. There we go. Perfect. A long one here. All right, big dummy. Now this is why I don't like to talk and work at the same time. Can't do it. So I'll never be president. I can't read off a teleprompter. Okay, I'm gonna say teleprompter. Teleprompter. Prompter. There it is. Okay, big dummy. We're just putting that cord in there and shut up. All right. I tease my wife because she doesn't like to go riding with me much anymore. I tell her I'm gonna get a stunt double. To ride with me. Tell her, make a shopping list so your stunt double can go buy it for you. All right. It goes right there. All right. Scoots. Maybe the gasket got in the way. Well, there you go. I'm gonna bring it down and take it for a spin. It sounds way better. I didn't think that shoe would make much of a difference.